Hey guys, GXK Gaming here with another video, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing our fireworks we got, so let's get into it. So, right here we got this Wolfpack color changing shell kit, and we got the mortar ones. There it is. Let's see what colors there are. So we have a red, white, and blue, some red, some orange, and some camouflage. So that's really cool right there. Ooh, and we got a dream team. That's cool. Let's see what colors. Ooh, that's a lot of colors. So we got blue and sky blue, gold and gold strobe. We'll do that. Got some red, some purple and blue. Like green and yellow. Ooh, that looks cool. Got some like orange and blue right there. Got some more gold, pink, and orange. That's interesting. Some blue and gold. Some orange with blue, I think. Red, white strobe. Red and blue, I think that is. And red and yellow. So that's really cool. Right there. That was the dream team. And here we have, wait a second. Let me get all this stuff out. So we got this, the Neth the red, white, and blue, 15 shot. So that's cool. Phantom fireworks. So it's really cool. And we got this one. I think it was like the best seller, like one of the best sellers in South Carolina. So Molotov Cocktail, whatever that says, from Phantom Fireworks. 19 shot. That looks really cool. Want those? Ooh, and then we got some poppets. Some party poppers. Right there. Some red and green. Some red, green, and blue ones. Got some more of those. And then we got a Wolfpack one. And another Wolfpack. And then, ooh, we got the Rattler colored snakes right there. I've never seen those before. But if you guys have seen those, you guys are probably like, there's another one. And here are some party poppers, but they're pumpkins right there. Another one. And one last one right there. So 3 of those right there. And that is about it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. So, if you like this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, and have a great day. Goodbye.